And I'm back. Who knew? There was no countdown. I had no idea. I'm glad I was just playing with this and not playing with, I don't know, whatever else I could have been playing with while I was waiting to go on live. But we are back, as many of the Brad Squad and Team Squeeze members had said at the 9 o'clock hour. Welcome back to the show that never ends. We took about a 45 to an hour break, and we are back. Welcome back, everybody, for another fun-filled hour without Squeeze, who's still at the doctor having multiple tests done to be told he probably has a really bad cold. But we'll find out later in the day when I hear from Squeeze. But right now, the telephone number to call to get your immigration questions asked and answered is 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LAWLINK. LAWLINK. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. I only have Tony from Queens on hold. Tony, we're going to get to you in a minute. I have 11 open lines, so if you call right now, you will get your questions asked and answered. 1-800-529. I had to take a swallow there. 1-800-529-5465. Welcome, everybody, to our Facebook Live page at the law offices of Spar and Bernstein. Welcome, everybody who's listening on WVIP 93.5 FM, terrestrial radio, as Squeeze likes to say, in the New York metropolitan area. 1-800-529-5465. And a good afternoon to Pauline, Denise, J Champion Box, Triple Favor, Jeff Bossy, Marcia, Jeff Bossy complaining about a nickel bag in the earlier show. Marcia Anderson, Hope Goddess, Rachel Alexander, JoJo, Denise, who else am I saying hello to here? Janice Gordon, Radhika Pendergrast, I said Pauline Williams, Carol Anderson, the Tiger, and Janice Gordon. Good afternoon to all. And good afternoon to all who did say good afternoon to me. I'm still wishing you good afternoon. What I will ask everybody to do right now is please share this with your friends and family. Take out your thumb, take out your finger, take out your index. There's a little thing at the bottom of your video, and you can press it. It's a little arrow thing, or it's a little button that says share, depends on what your device is. And you press it, and then it says, do you want to share it to your timeline? Do you want to share it to someone else's timeline? Share it to everybody. Share it to your timeline. Share it to all your friends' timeline. Share it to groups that you may be a member of. What I'm asking everybody to do, we have never, ever in the history of the Brad and Squeeze show gotten 200 shares in one episode. Never. The closest we got was 187, and that was with Squeeze begging and pleading, getting on his hands and knees and begging and pleading you. So I will not succumb to begging and pleading. I will not do it. Okay, I will if everybody wants me to. I will get on my hands and knees. I will beg. Let's get to 200 shares today, folks. 200. That means every person who's watching has to share to 50 people. That means all 4 people who are watching will get to 200 shares. 4 people watching shares to 50 people, 200 shares. But we already have 100 plus people watching. So then I only need everybody who's watching to share twice. But you know not everybody's going to share twice. You know that's not going to happen. So I need you to share, as Squeeze says, 20 times. 20 times. Take out your finger right now. Please share to your timeline. Please share to your friends' pages. Let them know that we're here to help. Let them know that maybe, hopefully, you'll have a laugh or two also. But certainly we're here to help. And the telephone number to call is 1-800-529-5465. We're going to get to Anna Ascona, our social media genie, later on in the show. So please leave your questions and answers on our Facebook page at the Brad and Squeeze Show, or right now we're broadcasting live from the law offices of Spar and Bernstein. If you're listening on terrestrial radio, we'll probably go over after 1 o'clock, so you may have to switch off your radio and turn on your phone onto Facebook. Everybody's got Facebook except my mother and father. So everybody knows Facebook. There's only 2 people on the entire earth who don't know what Facebook is, and that's my mother and father. Everybody else has it. So all you got to do is get on your phone, go to the Brad and Squeeze Show, go to Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein, go to David Squeeze Anarchy, go to Link Up Media, go to Jamrock Magazine, go to USA Credit Repair, our proud partner here at the Brad and Squeeze Show, and please share and please watch us. Telephone number to get on our show is 1-800-529-5465, 529-5465. Lisa from the Bronx has just called in. Tony from Maryland hanging on tough there. Over 8 minutes waiting. We're going to get to Tony in about 2 or 3 minutes. We're going to get to Lisa. And we're going to get to everybody else's call very shortly. Telephone number is 1-800-529-5465. Happy January 16th! Lunchtime with Brad and Squeeze. At least it's lunchtime here in New York if you're watching in California. Breakfast time if you're watching in Australia. Why are you still up? You should be sleeping. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. So while we're waiting for the phones to heat up here so we can go through all of our questions, very sad story. We heard the sad story of Gene Monteville earlier today. He's getting deported. And earlier today, or yesterday actually, a gentleman by the name of Jorge Garcia, age 39, he bid his family farewell Monday. He was deported back to Mexico. So what did Jorge do? There he is. What did Jorge do to deserve to get deported back to Mexico? Well, he was brought here when he was 10 years old by his family, so he didn't do that. He's never been arrested for anything, never had a criminal record, didn't even have a traffic ticket. Nope. Paid his taxes for 20 years to the U.S. government. Nope. Nope. The only reason why Jorge left his wife, left his children, although he's paying his taxes and has been living here since he was 10 years old, the only reason was because he was born in Mexico. No other reason. Never committed a crime, never did anything wrong, was, to all accounts, a good father. He was too old to qualify for Daca, if you're asking why he didn't get Daca, which allowed children of immigrants, children who came here as young kids to stay. He was too old. He legally studied here. He worked and paid his taxes legally, had a family, had children. What did he do wrong? What did he do wrong to deserve to be ripped apart from his family? Why are we separating families? Why? I don't know. That's what I have to say to Donald. All right, so on some good news here, 1-800-529-5465, by the way, is the telephone number. Some good news. Hero Firefighter. This is cool. This is a cool video. Hero Firefighter, a hero firefighter in DeKalb County, Georgia, which is right outside of Atlanta, saved a child from a January 3rd blaze. They were throwing, Captain Eric Jackson, I'm quoting him, "We were catching babies like a football, literally. There were adults that were on the balcony, and they were dropping their babies right into our arms. We had a couple firefighters catching babies, so it was really incredible." Some very cool footage here. I didn't say what? You're playing the video again? What did I not say? There's the babies being literally, oh my God. And they caught the babies. Oh my God. Crazy. 12 people, including 8 children, suffered minor injuries. 79 were displaced by the blaze. Everybody apparently survived. So good work there by the firefighters in DeKalb County. Look at that fire that is surrounding people. It's amazing. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Angie Angel wants to know, where's the love? Where's the humanity? Right here on the Brad and Squeeze show is love and humanity. Beyond that, I have no idea. It's a very sad world. 1-800-529-5465. Here's something kind of cool also we saw before we get into immigration questions. Uber, okay, Uber's tired of waiting in traffic in Manhattan, so now they are planning flying cars to navigate the city skies like the Jetsons. The space agency has teamed up, NASA has teamed up with Uber to develop a flying car with air traffic control system to go around cities. It's not enough now to be able to look both ways when you cross the street. As a matter of fact, you're told, look left, look right, look left. It's not enough anymore. Now you got to look left, you got to look right, you got to look left, you got to look up. Is anything falling on me? I don't know how this is going to work out, flying cars. Can you imagine? There's enough stress going on walking around cities. You got to worry about things dropping on you. Oh, I'm sorry, the taxi landed on my head and killed me. Pretty crazy. Where's the taxi going to land? I don't know how this is going to work out. They said they hope to have flying taxis in a year from now in 2020. They're going to push for Los Angeles, Dallas, and Dubai. I say Dubai only. I don't want taxis flying on my head. 1-800-529-5465. And finally, the great debate going on right now, whether lobsters feel pain. I actually went out with somebody who told me that they would not eat a lobster because they feel bad for the lobster, that the lobster gets boiled and the lobster feels pain and you're actually watching a lobster die in agony. And I never heard that before this year, but apparently now in Switzerland, they have taken this up. The government of Switzerland has ordered that all lobsters not be dropped in a boiling water. They have now say that is animal cruelty. And Switzerland says that boiling the lobster causes them pain. And as a result, anybody to boil a lobster in Switzerland will be arrested for animal cruelty. Now, a Robert Elwood, Professor Emeritus of Animal Behavior at Queen's University in Belfast, Northern Ireland. I have no idea what makes him an expert in this, although they put the word emeritus in front of him, so it sounds very fancy. He writes, there's no absolute proof, but you keep running experiments and almost everything I look at came out consistent with the idea of pain in lobsters. There should be a more humane approach to eating and killing a lobster. I don't know. What do everybody think? Does the lobster feel pain? Michael Slutsky, a lobster biologist at the University of Massachusetts, Boston, takes a middle ground. He agrees that lobsters lack brain anatomy that we associate with pain, but crustacean brains are so different than ours that no one can be really certain whether or not they're feeling any pain whatsoever. They have now come out with a crustacean killing device that zaps them with electricity. Obviously, if you get electrocuted, that's not painful. I mean, I'm not making this up. How do you electrocute a lobster and that's not painful, but you stick them in boiling water and that is painful? The zapper costs $3,400 for a restaurant in Switzerland, or they can buy a pot and boil it for $3. How much is a pot? $3. Well, that is the question to end all questions. Do lobsters feel pain? I have no idea. I know humans feel pain. I know immigrants feel pain. I know Donald Trump could care less about people's pain. He only cares about himself.